Alright guys, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Chris Life USA. For today's video guys, ay konting tutorial muna tayo. A little bit of a tutorial for you guys. If you haven't known about this YouTube extension, this is really good. This is really helping YouTubers, small YouTubers, big YouTubers on how to delete the very long file ng liked videos and watch later videos using this YouTube watch later assist. Okay, so stay tuned at ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano gawin ito using your laptop, using your MacBook Pro, if you have a MacBook Pro or laptop. Ito yung gagawin nyo guys. Just follow the screen, yung cursor na i-move ko kung paano ko ito ginawa, kasi it took me a long time to paano yung nag-file na ng sobrang dami-dami na yung mga like videos, and I don't know how to delete one, but I don't know how to delete in a bulk. I was trying to delete by bulk, but I could not found it. But then I researched on how to do it, and now I know how to do it. So using the YouTube Watch Later Assist as an extension, it's a bulk add and delete and YouTube watch later and like videos. It deleted automatically. So yeah, let me show you how, and very easy lang siya guys. Just follow the screen na isi-show ko sa inyo, okay? Stay tuned. Thank you so much. Alright guys, let's get to it. Alright, isa pa pala guys na points, yung watch later YouTube watch later assist. You can delete at once, you can delete at by bulk, very easy. It's just a matter of click, okay? And you can delete and you can delete and you can add, okay? Sa YouTube Watch Later Assist na extension na ito ay it will help you yeah, do the stuff for you, okay? Alright, stay tuned. Alright guys, ito na nga, ito ang buong screen ko ng aking laptop, MacBook Pro. Ayan, open natin ang Google at saka ang YouTube, and then ayan. So, yan ang YouTube account natin na isa, yung pang-suporta natin. And then, yan, may ni-scroll ako dyan. Yan, mga gusto nating i-delete. Ayan. So, ayan yung 3 dot on top. And then, manage extension. And then, YouTube Watch Later Assist. I-open nyo. And then i-on nyo yun, and then go back to your profile again. Sa mga gusto mong i-delete bulk, sorry guys, Tagalog lang ito para maintindihan ng lahat, okay? So yan yung mga gusto kong i-delete, kasi hindi ko siya pwedeng i-delete isa-isa. So ayun na nga, lumabas na ang extension icon. I-open na natin yung YouTube Watch Later Assist. Ayan, remove all watch later video. Mag-automatically lang siya lalabas dyan. And then, isang click mo lang yan, remove all videos sa lahat na sa iyong watch later. At mag-automatic na siya mag-start. Start removal. Nakikita nyo sa taas, ayan. Ayan, nag-ano na siya. Nagre-remove na siya by itself. All you have to do is just wait for it to finish. O, di ba? Bilis lang. Siya gumagawa ng ng trabaho para sa iyo. O, di ba? Is this extension helpful? Please buy me a coffee. Kasi nga ito ay free lang itong extension na ito. Guys, kaya yan lumalabas lang yan. But just disregard that. The most important is ginagawa na ng extension yung pag-alis ng mga video by bulk. Kasi very helpful siya. It's very helpful because you don't need to do it one by one. O, diba? O, ayan na. Tapos na agad-agad. O, diba? Tapos lalabas yung icon na yan. I-X nyo lang yan. Tapos, so, diba? Total videos na na-remove is 51. And then, go back to your profile. And then, may mga naiwan-iwan pa dyan. And then, ngayon naman, ay yung naman ang ating i-delete. O, diba? 0 na yung sa watch later. Okay? Then, go back and then, view full watch. Wag yung, dapat view full watch lang talaga. View lang talaga. Ayan. Tapos yan man. Like video naman. Ang ating i-delete guys. We're going to delete the liked video. I know marami sa inyo ang dami nyo nang na-like. Tapos it will not affect the video guys na na-like nyo ya. That means i-delete nyo to na baka isipin nyo madidelete din yung yung mawawala yung like nyo. No, that's not it. You're just deleting all the videos na nilike nyo, but your liked will remain kung sino man yung may-ari ng video na yun. Okay? So, ito ay just to help you organized and para hindi mapuno yung mga memory ng iCloud nyo, di ba? Di ba? Tapos agad. Ayan, lumabas na naman si watch later assist. O ayan, wala nang video sa like videos mo. O di ba? Ayun, very very easy lang talaga guys. Ayan, so tapos na. May mga watch history. Ang watch history, you can clear that. Yeah, like that. Mawawala yan. But you cannot click the whole thing kasi yung like at saka watch later. So watch later and like video, this extension will help you. Okay? So yun na. Oh, di ba? Balik naman tayo sa ating ayun na, ang total remove na video is 51. Oh, ayan. Yung mga like video at saka watch later. Ayan na. Okay? Ano mga pinindot ko dyan guys, wala yan. Disregard nyo na yan. Okay? Yan. So, I hope na nag-enjoy kayo. I hope na may natutunan kayo sa aking munting tutorial sa video na ito guys. So, ayun ang ating icon. Watch later. Ayun. O, diba? Pinakita ko lang sa inyo. And then, you can actually turn that on and off. Diba? Para mawala yung green sa taas. Yeah. Yeah, i-turn off mo yan. Yun. And then, yeah. I-ano mo lang siya. I-on and off mo lang siya. Balik tayo doon sa aking profile picture. And then, go back doon sa yun. So, ayun. Wala nang history. No history. No videos in the history. No videos in the watch later. No videos in the video. Okay? So, yun lang guys ang ating tutorial for the day. I hope na natuto kayo sa ating munting video na ito guys. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!